A very happy Father's Day to all the dads and to-be dads. Well, this Father's Day, I wanted to give something very special to all the men who take care of the women in their lives. So why not pamper them with some self-care on this Father's Day and create a Father's Day special for them? So I created something which I think all men would really need, and that is the iPink Beard Pack. Well, a lot of you have grown a beard in this lockdown and of course are showing off your lovely mane. But what also happens is, since the beard has been growing a little unruly, it could be pokey, dry, rough, frizzy, and so I have created a very easy pack which will not only smoothen out this hard rough hair, but also you will be able to get a very clean shave without any razor cuts or ingrown hair. So how about trying this lovely iPink Beard Pack? Let's head to TG's kitchen. So today we're going to make this beard pack with our good old chiku. So chiku's in season and I have an overripe chiku here. And I'm just going to squeeze this. I'm going to use every part of this chiku, the skin, the pulp as well as the seeds. Did you know that these seeds have anti-parasitic properties, antiviral, antimicrobial? It's amazing to prevent any kind of skin infections, hair infections. And we're going to beat all of this together with our soaked basil seeds, and I have also soaked some chia seeds. So we're going to mix all these three ingredients and make a lovely blend in our mixie. So our ingredients are ready here. These are the basil seeds which have been soaked for a bit and they're a little sticky. But what is even more sticky are the chia seeds, which also I have soaked in the morning today. So these are both soaked for some time. The chia was soaked for about 5 to 6 hours and it is really nice and sticky. It's like your natural collagen for your hair, and this can work wonders for frizzy hair, hard hair, rough hair. And then we have the basil, which is again sticky. So this again can contribute to amazing omega-3 as well as nourishment and vitamin E for your hair. And then comes our chiku with the sapota seeds, and these sapota seeds are not going to allow any infection and at the same time nourish the hard, rough, frizzy hair. So this pack is going to turn out really awesome. Now we're going to blend all these three ingredients well, and let's see what we get. So here the mix is ready. We have smoothly blended the chia, the basil and the chiku, and now we're going to simply pour this in a bowl. This consistency looks perfect. Looks like a lovely hair pack. And now we need to add our favorite ingredients. So here I'm going to add my favorite aloe vera gel, the iPink aloe vera gel, which I swear by. And just about 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera gel would be good for this particular pack. And one special ingredient for this pack is the iPink ghee, which I have created. This is the wash ghee, which is exactly the base of most of the creams that I have been making. And it is amazing for skin and hair. And this particular ghee is what I generally advise for people suffering from very dry hair, very frizzy hair, also for people who have very dry skin, dry feet. So this texture is amazing and it's washed ghee, so it does not make your skin that greasy, but at the same time it definitely nourishes very well. And we're going to just mix this up nicely. Those who wish to use their regular homemade ghee, they can also do that. They can use a regular ghee, they can use coconut oil, but this is like a natural conditioner, guys. This texture is so smooth, so any amount of frizzy hair is definitely going to become nice and smooth. It's going to tame your hair beautifully, especially in the monsoons. And for the hard beard, it's going to work miraculously, because even if you plan to shave after applying this pack, you're going to get almost no cuts, no infections, because this is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial. This blend is going to work miraculously for any kind of hard, rough hair, whether it's on your face, on your head, or any hard hair that you wish to treat. So men grow terminal hair, which is hard hair like copper wire on their face, whereas women grow vellus hair, which is soft and delicate. But in either cases, whether it's hair on our head or whether it's a beard, frizzy hair is a problem which gets worse in the monsoon season. Well, so we have our good old chiku now, which is our seasonal fruit, and the seed of chiku, the sapota seeds, have been used for years together for correcting hair fall, for correcting dandruff, pruritus, and especially frizzy hair. So it gives you that natural, smooth, shiny hair. Along with that, I have also mixed in omega-3 rich chia seeds along with your tulsi seeds, which are full of your amino acids and minerals and fatty acids, exactly what your hair needs for great nourishment. So definitely try this pack. If you have already tried my Eye Pink Banana Arbi pack and you've liked it, this one's going to kill it. I'm so sure about it. So please share your pictures and your videos and give this lovely recipe to your loved ones, and especially to all those dads who've grown a beard and who want nice, soft, shiny hair. Looking forward to many more videos with you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay Eye Pink.